In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook page. Let's get started. Firstly, start by opening your Facebook app. Now you have to log into your Facebook page. To do so, click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Now click on the down arrow button and choose your page. You will be redirected to Page Timeline. Click again on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. To unpublish the page, scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, look for the Page section. Tap Page Settings and go to Search Settings search bar. Now right here delete, and as you can see there is just one search result, delete page and information. You'll see options to either deactivate or delete your Facebook page. Since you want to delete the page, choose Delete Page option instead of Deactivate Page. Please just note that if you pick Delete Page option, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Tap Continue and you can be asked to enter your password, so enter it. I don't have to enter the password, Facebook just asks me to give a reason for deleting the page. Give a reason like I spend too much time on Facebook. You will be able to manage your notifications in order to spend less time on Facebook. Basically, Facebook wants to prevent you from deleting the account. So tap on Continue button. Now again here you will be asked whether you want to save posts, download your information or transfer your information. I will tap on Continue button again. Finally here this is the last step. If you enter your password and tap Continue, your Facebook page will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.